Best HDMI KVM switches streamline multitasking, control multiple computers with one setup, reduce clutter, save time, and boost overall workflow efficiency. My today's video is about top 5 best HDMI KVM switches for productivity that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ori 2x1 4K HDMI and USB-C KVM switch. This HDMI plus USB-C KVM switch is a powerful solution for anyone managing multiple devices on a single workspace. With dual inputs, it allows seamless switching between a laptop and desktop while sharing one monitor, keyboard, and mouse, significantly reducing desk clutter. The inclusion of a USB hub with both USB 2.0 and high-speed USB 3.0 ports ensures smooth peripheral connectivity and fast data transfers, making it ideal for professionals handling large files. The 100W USB-C power delivery is a standout feature, keeping your laptop charged without extra adapters. Visually, it delivers impressive performance with 4K at 60 Hz support and HDR10+, offering sharp, vibrant output perfect for both productivity and entertainment. Switching between devices is quick and simple using the physical button or wired controller, though the lack of hotkey switching may be a minor drawback. Overall, it's a reliable, feature-rich KVM switch designed to boost efficiency in modern multi-device setups. Now our second product is Ugreen HDMI KVM switch. This KVM switch is a practical and efficient solution for managing two computers with a single monitor and shared peripherals. It simplifies your setup by combining HDMI switching with USB control, allowing seamless toggling between devices while keeping your workspace clean and organized. Supporting one monitor, it's ideal for focused productivity without unnecessary complexity. The inclusion of 4 USB 3.0 ports, including USB-C, is a major advantage, offering fast 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds for external drives, printers, and other accessories. Performance-wise, it delivers crisp visuals with 4K at 60 Hz support, along with HDR and HDMI 2.0 compatibility for vibrant and smooth display quality. Switching is convenient via the onboard button or external controller, though the lack of hotkey support and eDVD emulation may limit advanced users. Its plug-and-play compatibility across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux makes setup effortless. Overall, it's a reliable, high-performance KVM switch for both work and casual use. Our third product is Hervo USB 3.0 HDMI KVM switch. This HDMI KVM switch delivers a well-balanced combination of convenience, performance, and versatility for dual computer setups. By allowing two devices to share one monitor, keyboard, and mouse, it effectively reduces clutter while streamlining daily workflows. Its broad compatibility across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even gaming consoles makes it suitable for both professional and entertainment use. The 4 USB 3.0 ports, including a USB-C option, provide fast 5 gigabits per second data transfer and reliable peripheral sharing, which is ideal for handling external drives, printers, and accessories. Visual performance is equally impressive, with 4K at 60 Hz support and HDCP 2.2 ensuring sharp, vibrant, and secure content playback. The inclusion of adaptive EDID enhances display stability, preventing resolution conflicts between devices. Switching is effortless via the onboard button or wired remote, helping maintain a clean desk setup. With true plug-and-play functionality and a complete accessory package, this KVM switch stands out as a dependable, user-friendly solution for boosting productivity. Now number 4. HDGA 4K at 30 Hz KVM switch. This KVM switch is a straightforward and practical choice for users who need to manage two computers with a single monitor and share peripherals. With both HDMI and USB-C inputs, it offers flexible connectivity, making it easy to switch between a desktop and a laptop without constantly unplugging cables. Perfect for home offices and multitasking setups. The 4K at 30 Hz resolution delivers clear and detailed visuals, suitable for everyday work, media consumption, and light creative tasks. While it's not the smoothest for high frame rate gaming, it performs reliably for most productivity needs and remains compatible with lower resolutions like 1080p. Its three USB 2.0 ports handle essential peripherals such as keyboards, mice, and printers efficiently, though data transfer speeds are modest compared to USB 3.0. The included desktop controller simplifies switching, keeping your workflow uninterrupted and your desk clutter-free. With a complete accessory package and easy setup, this KVM switch offers solid value for basic dual computer management. And our last choice is Ruby Pro HDMI KVM Switch. This dual-monitor HDMI KVM switch is a premium solution for power users who need seamless control over two computers. Supporting both mirror and extend modes, it creates a highly efficient multitasking environment, ideal for professionals working across multiple systems or displays. Its standout feature is the impressive 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz support, delivering ultra-smooth, crystal-clear visuals perfect for gaming, video editing, and design work. The inclusion of 4 USB 3.0 ports ensures fast 5 gigabits per second data transfers, making it easy to share peripherals like external drives, webcams, and printers without lag. Switching between systems is effortless via the wired remote or onboard button, and the plug-and-play setup eliminates the need for additional software. Adaptive EDD further enhances stability by automatically optimizing display settings. While the setup requires multiple HDMI cables, the overall performance, reliability, and advanced features make this KVM switch a top-tier choice for demanding, multi-device workflows. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.